Hello everyone! Creating the beat and setting the rhythm for your band, you need the best, high-quality drum set. This video will help drummers of all levels find the perfect set. The product links are available in the description. You can check them out for the best prices. Let's start. First, Roland TD-27KV2 second generation V-drum kit. The Roland TD-27KV electronic drum set is known for its generously sized pads overall. Oh, and you can also easily practice singing using the kit's wireless Bluetooth audio. Not to mention, you can record up to 28 channels of audio via a single USB cable. If you need an expressive drum kit for recording and rehearsal duties, the TD-27KV2 V-drums are for you. 2. Yamaha Stage Custom Birch. The Yamaha Stage Custom has been a staple mid-price kit for over nearly 30 years, and the brand has continued to evolve its setup to stay relevant. Yamaha's track record of building birch bark speaks for itself. The Stage Custom's 6-ply shell is 6.6 mm thick, straight and butt, joined with Yamaha's signature diagonal seams, with bearing edges carefully cut at 45 degrees. 3. Alesis Strata Prime electronic drum kit with touchscreen module. Perhaps the most popular kit in the world of electronic drum sets these days is the Alesis Strata Prime electronic drum kit with a touchscreen module, which sells for about $3,499. Why has Strata Prime now become one of the most popular electronic drum sets? Well, because many say this represents a breakthrough in electronic drum technology. 4. Natal KZN-TR-FBK Zenith. Next on our extensive product list is the stunning Natal Zenith 22-inch 3-piece shell pack in Forge Black. The first thing that catches your eye is the unique posy black shell finish that stands out with its incredibly fine details. 5. Yamaha DTX-6K X Electronic Drum Set. The Yamaha DTX-6K X Electronic Drum Set is an extremely versatile and expressive kit that stands out from the Yamaha DTX lineup. This electronic drum set perfectly combines advanced features and affordability, making it an excellent choice for drummers of all skill levels. Equipped with the DTX-PRO module, this drum set offers a variety of high-quality sounds and customizable options. 6. Tama Imperialstar. Tama's Imperialstar range of kits has been a beginner-intermediate staple since the beginning. Its versatility and good looks are easily overlooked on a daily basis. So we'd like to shed some light on Imperialstar. As we said, the Imperialstar's impressive versatility is probably its strongest selling point. Using a 100% sturdy 8-ply poplar shell, we were able to get a crisp attack and powerful high-end while reviewing this kit. Tuning is also very easy when used with Tama's precision-bearing edges. 7. Sonor AQX 16-inch Jungle Shell Pack. Released earlier this year, the Sonor AQX 16-inch Jungle Shell Pack, with free throne, surprised most of us drummers. First, it has a 16-inch bass drum, making it ideal for busking or general home practice, where space is at a premium. If you're wondering how such a compact drum can deliver powerful sound, Sonor is here to help. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.